Hello friends, welcome to our channel Aha Zindagi Tricky Maths. In this lecture we will discuss about factorial. So how to calculate factorial of a number. Suppose n be a positive integer. Let n be a positive integer. So how we define a factorial? Okay. So factorial we denote by either this n factorial or we denote like this n factorial, okay, and its value will be n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, and it will be decreasing and will go to 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so we can tell n factorial is the product of first n natural numbers. Okay, so if we have to calculate, for example, 5 factorial, so what will be 5 factorial? It will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is product of first 5 natural numbers. Okay, so what is this? 5 into 4, 20 into 3, 60 into 2, 120. Similarly, if we have to calculate 3 factorial, it will be 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. Okay, so how we can define the factorial? See, the continued n should be a positive integer. Always remember this. N should be a positive integer. The continued product of first n natural numbers, first n natural numbers, okay, it is called factorial. So here as a note you can remember what is the value of 0 factorial. So 0 factorial will always be equal to 1. Second, you can note down n factorial. It can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, and this also can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So how we got this? So we will deduce this relation. Suppose n factorial, by definition it is product of first n natural numbers. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, 3 into 2 into 1. So we will take n outside and other terms we will take inside the bracket. So it is n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 and so on, and it will be 3 into 2 into 1. So now if you see in this square bracket, it is product of first n minus 1 natural numbers. Okay, so it is n into n minus 1 factorial. Okay, n minus 1 factorial is product of first n minus 1 natural numbers. So where we can use this, see, suppose we have to calculate 6 factorial. Okay, and we don't need to multiply every time. See, we know value of 5 factorial, so simply we can calculate 6 into 5 factorial. Okay, so it is 6 into 120 equal to 720. Okay, so we can do like this. So we have discussed about factorial of a number. Okay friends, thank you.